Lily, I am hungry.
Me too. I want something tasty.
We need fruits and vegetables.
Can we come with you?
Yes, let's go to the market.
Yeah! I love market trips. Wow, so many things.
Fresh apples today.
We will take some apples. Daniel, put them in the basket.
These strawberries look delicious.
Let's buy some.
Can I help?
Of course.
Mom, mangoes. Please, Mom, can we buy mangoes?
Maybe.
Please, Mom. Mangoes are my favorite too.
Okay, we will buy mangoes.
Thank you. Today was fun. I can't wait. These mangoes are delicious. Market trips are the best. Yummy! This is the best mango. I love mangoes.
I'm so glad you both like them.
I want the last piece. I want it too. What should we do now? Lily can have it. Really? Yes. Let's share it.
Sharing makes everyone happy.
Catch the ball, Scooby. Come back, Scooby.
Today was a great day.
The market trip was fun.
Family time is special. Did you enjoy our story?
Please like this video
And subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next event.